So we're trying to figure out the value of x if they're telling us that x cubed is less than x squared. Now normally I do not divide both sides by a variable unless it states that x is not 0, but I know x is not equal to 0, because if x was equal to 0, it would mean 0, it would be equal to 0 equal to 0. But it says that x cubed is less than x squared. So I know x is not equal to 0, so that allows me to divide both sides by x squared. X cubed over x squared less than x squared over x squared. And that's going to be x is less than 1. So I know that x is less than 1. That's given. Okay, I can use it when I do my clues, with my clues. Clue 1 says negative 2 is less than x is less than 2. So if this is negative 2, this is 2, negative 1, 0, 1. So x is somewhere in here. And we're trying to figure out what is the value of x. And we know x is less than 1, where x could be 0.05, or x might be negative 1. You know? We know it's in between negative 2 and 2, and x is less than 1, but I can't figure out the value of x. So clue 1 doesn't work by itself. Clue 2 says what? X is greater than negative 2. X is greater than negative 2. So I know x is greater than negative 2, and x is less than 1. So, and we know, let me see. Where's my question? Yeah, x is an integer greater than negative 2. So greater than negative 2 would be, negative 2 is not included because you don't have the line underneath it. But that would be negative 1 is an integer greater than negative 2. And 0 is an integer greater than 2. But we know x can't be 0, so don't count that one. And it can't be 1 because it's strictly less than. So what's the integer that's greater than negative 2 and less than 1? Negative 1. So we know the value of x is negative 1, so that works. So your answer is B.